So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito pag-uusapan natin kabola yung dalawang perennial title contenders kabola na natanggal dito nga po sa playoffs before even reaching the semis. I'm talking about TNT at saka Magnolia at Shots. So may di pa nakasubscribe pa kabola, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Of course, pag-usapan naman natin yung independent team naman na nakapasok, and that is of course Rain or Shine kabola. They did the anting kabola, di ba? They started the conference at 0-4 and then they reached the semis kabola by defeating the formidable TNT. Now, nung dinescribe niya yung San Miguel Beermen, of course, kabola, and sabi niya, tatlong grupo yung first five, which is in a way, anong ibig sabihin na? So, basically, yung pinopoint out niya kapag himay-himayin mo yung rooster ng SMB, parang pwede mo silang tatlong grupo na first five. Pag titignan ko lang, hindi naman siguro dalawa lang kabola. Pero may mga fans nagjo-joke na pangatlong grupo daw is yung mga referees. So, ang ginagawa dito ng Coach Yeng Guiao is that classic po na strategy, mindsetting kabola ng team niya that they are the underdogs, and they are clearly the underdogs, and that will help his team kabola master some more additional efforts kabola to overcome ito team po ng San Miguel Beermen kabola. Now, ang isa pang of course maganda pag-usapan ngayon ito pong TNT na tinalo nila, diba? So naglabas po ng bagong column itong po Sir Homer D. Saison. Sabi niya, mukhang wala na talaga ito nga pong si Mikey Williams kabola na pagbalikin po sa TNT. So this will be very very sad, especially for the fans siguro kabola ng TNT, or maybe yung iba is actually tanggap na nila at ayaw din naman nila talagang makuha pa muli si Mikey Williams because of ito nga po kabola, ito nga pong kanya pong ugali. Ganyan siguro ang pagtingin po nila sa kanya. Pero overall, if they cannot return or they cannot have a way para makabalik po si Mikey Williams, maliit po yung chance sa kabola na sila po ay makatungtong pa po ng malayo dun po sa playoffs. Kasi nga po, they badly need Mikey Williams. In short, they may need to find a replacement kabola. Nakakalungkot lang for them siguro. Kakakuha lang nila kay BGR and then wala masyadong naging impact yung pagkuha nila kay BGR. Pero for me, hindi ko masisisi BGR eh. Big man siya kabola eh. For you to maximize a big man, most of the time kabola, dapat magandang strategy yan, magandang game planning yan from the coaching staff. Hindi po ata yung na-deliver nito nga pong si Coach Chot Reyes kabola. Now, sa Magnolia side naman, of course, marami na nag-aabang dyan, di ba? After a disappointing finals appearance naman po ng Commissioner's Cup, they are now again here, early exit naman sa Philippine Cup kabola. So marami nag-aabang, is this the final straw for them to make a big revamp kabola? Although of course we know also na they are also the only SMC team who made a trade during this Philippine Cup, no? They added Balanza, and of course as expected wala masyadong nag-iimpact yung pagkuha kay Balanza, di ba? Kasi nga po kabola, hindi rin naman talagang needle mover ang isang Balanza. What they need to do now, really, is to make a big talent acquisition, kabola. And that means embracing siguro yung kanilang farm team, kabola, or maximizing the name value of their veteran players. Diba? Polly, of course, mataas pa rin name value. Calvin Abueva, who is still a very, very good player, kabola, pero age-wise, alam na natin kung saan siya patungo, kabola, and many more. Now, maraming nagsasabi, it's time for them to change Coach Chito Victolero. And still, I am with the opinion that Coach Chito is a top 3 coach, performing coach kabola, in the PBA. And that alone should keep him on this job. Madali pong sabihin na palagi ng coach yung problema. Pero in reality kabola, sometimes you can just overcome talent. And yan po yung laging na-experience po ng Magnolia Hotshots. Kababals, palagay mo, panahon na ba para palitan po itong si Coach Chito Victolero? Comment na po sa baba.